eCube, a green solution for the food and beverage industry. The eCube has been widely tested in numerous refrigeration units worldwide. It has proven to lower energy consumption by as much as 30%. It's a simple device that fits right over the thermostat probe on a refrigerator or freezer. Inside eCube is a material that has been proven to mimic the properties of food. Now, rather than responding to rapidly fluctuating air temperature, eCube allows the unit to respond to food temperature instead. Of course it does. Refrigeration units work in a series of cycles, with the thermostat probe using air temperature to trigger the on-off cycles of the compressor. With eCube installed, the number of compressor cycles is dramatically reduced, because now the probe is reading the simulated food substance inside eCube, which responds to temperature changes far more gradual than air. Well, if the compressor is cycling on and off less often, it will last longer. Just ask anyone in the refrigeration repair business. Look at this recent case study from a walk-in refrigerator at a Chick-fil-A. Without eCube, the compressor cycled 41 times in a 12-hour period. With eCube, it cycled 14 times in a 12-hour period. That's a 66% reduction in compressor cycles after the installation of eCube. Great question. Since the compressor is cycling less with longer run times, something called thermal inertia is created in the food. This is a scientific term for the thermal energy that builds up in food during the cooling cycle. Simply put, your food stays colder longer and at a more consistent temperature. eCube was first invented as a food safety product and has been approved by the NSF, the premier testing agency for certifying equipment associated with food handling. This thermal inertia created during the longer run cycles cools the food for a longer period of time, which in turn lowers the food temperature. So with an eCube installed, you may raise the thermostat set point and still maintain the desired temperature you achieved before. This raised set point means the compressor will run less overall, which saves you money. Most compressors run between 10 and 30% less, and this has been proven in multiple case studies. Absolutely. Remember, commercial refrigeration accounts for 20% of all energy used on the planet. eCube, an affordable option to lower refrigeration's impact on a company's bottom line and, most of all, the environment. eCube is a common sense solution.